12 plus 3 equals 2. Sounds like some weird math, right? But stick with me because this isn't your average equation. Behind the number 3, we have the United States of America, the third largest country in the world by territory. And lurking at number 12? Greenland. That massive icy island, the largest in the world actually. Now imagine this. What if Greenland, the world's biggest island, joined the USA? Boom! The United States would suddenly leapfrog into second place, overtaking Canada in sheer size. But that's not all, folks. Here's another brain bender for you. 3 plus 2 equals 1. We already know the US is number 3. Number 2? That's our neighbor to the north, Canada. And if these two giants were to merge? We'd be looking at the undisputed largest country on planet Earth. A behemoth spanning a mind-blowing 7.5 million square miles, dominating a whopping 80% of the North American continent. And guess what? These ambitious plans, as you might have heard, were recently hinted at by the old, but now, new President Trump. He even threw the Panama Canal into the mix for good measure. But are these legitimate strategies? Or just pie-in-the-sky fantasies? Is the president trolling us? What's the endgame here? We're going to unravel this geopolitical puzzle in today's video. Get ready to dive into the secret world of shipping routes and the trajectories of nuclear missiles. How a tiny Philippine island was used as literal currency. The story of how a place where people used to tie up their dogs transformed into a crucial American airbase. And believe it or not, how global warming might actually be playing right into Trump's hands.